Hello everyone, so we're gonna do a problem called combination sum. So if you wanna know the best way to get into a big tech company, I have a link at the description where I tell you the best book, the best problems, and which resources not to use to not waste your time. So without further ado, let's take a look at combination sum. So combination sum, you're given an array and you're given a target. So with the elements in the array, you wanna get to that target. So for example, with this array, we can get 7 by just getting element 7, or by using 2 twice and then 3. So how do we do that? That's right, we use recursion. So we are going to use the same template we've been using in every problem in this playlist. So we have a loop, and at each stage of the loop, we're going to remove the current element from target. But if you compare with previous problem, we always pass I plus 1. But this time we pass I to the recursive call. So why do we do that? We do that because we can use the same element multiple times. So the reason that we pass I and I plus 1 is because we can reuse the same element. So let's put our debugger to see how it works. Debugger is great, so always use the debugger. So we are gonna call recurse. So we have two base cases. First base case is if target is less than 0. So currently our target is 8. So if target is less than 0, it means we went over our target. So we have to come back in our recursive call. If it's equal to 0, it means we've reached our goal. It's not either case. So now we're going to iterate 2, 3, and 5. 2, 3, and 5. So those are our elements. And we're going to append 2. And we're going to... so I stepped over pretty quickly. That was not my intention, but it gives us the answer we have so far. So 2, 2, 2, 4 2's give us 8. 2, 3, 3 also give us 8. So let me put a breakpoint here so you guys can see the next one. So temp equals 3 and 5. And that's obviously adding both of them will give 8. So we basically at each recursive call remove the current element from target, passing the same element so we can reuse that element. And the recursion will take care of enumerating all the possibilities. If our target is 0, we append to the answer, and that's it. So memorize this template here, because it shows up over and over again in this kind of recursive problems. I recommend you guys take a look at subsets, combination sum, combinations, permutations, all in the playlist in the channel here. So hope to see you guys in the next problem.